If you're trying to level up without the hype, you're in the right place. What's good? I'm Juan, and welcome to the Everyday Come Up. This channel is about real life, real money, and figuring it out one smart move at a time. So I started this channel because I know a lot of us are simply trying to do better. We working, paying bills, handling responsibilities while trying to level up and still enjoy life. But life be lifing, and the pressure is real. And I can relate to that. A lot of content online, it either feels fake or just completely out of reach. And I wanted to create something more real. So on here, I'm sharing what I'm learning in real time. Some moves gonna work, some won't. I keep it honest either way. If it helps me build a better life, money-wise or mindset-wise, I'm sharing it. I also believe money's supposed to give you options, not lock you in. That's why travel's a part of this also. Not to flex, but to experience life and move smarter while doing it. If you're trying to level up without burning yourself out, if you want real conversation instead of the hype, you're in the right place. Subscribe if this sounds like you. Hit that like button. Drop a comment. Tell me what you're trying to figure out. Tell me what you're working on. We building this together. Make smart moves. And I see you on the come up.